Welcome to another episode of With the Vibe. Today we can't rock the game as with the vibe too.
Sure.
So before then, like, comment and share. Because what did they count what they will feel? Let's say you know the joke.
Your mind go day.
You bow. Yeah, so today the topic for today is that why do people change when they get money? But actually today we are basing the focus on what? Why do men change when they get money? They want to go in for more women. That is a perception. It is not a fact. It's a perception. But women rather want to focus on their like they want to be independent when they get money. Do you get me?
Yes.
Men want to go in for more. Women want to be independent.
Sure. You want one.
Yeah.
At
So,
least one.
So why is it that people have to be saying that? So as we dey talk, then we rock the MK too. Then
sure.
ship you and then hand the part over and make a shoot the person.
I just don't fish with me for MK.
Alright. So maybe we start the game then, make we vibe. Yeah. So Ice, what's your take on the whole thing?
Okay. What I think about this is when men get money, they think they have power. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when they get power, they think they have the girls. You understand? They have everything they want to do that. So that's how they see it to be. But like the ladies, you know, when they feel like, oh, I don't need anything. You understand?
Yeah.
I need at least. I want to focus. But the guys, they feel like Charlie, the money day, the girls play there, picture who are they love, yeah, the bar like they level song, like that's what they feel.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how they see it to be.
You're
Wow.
so easy.
Yeah, you see, women when men get money, you see Charlie. The thing you see at the hustle say make I get money, they enjoy life, bro. So Charlie, when they get money,
If you enjoy the life.
bro, if we enjoy life,
So it felt like
you see say if I get one woman, it could be like for day plus some always that levels boys, you know the feel. If I go in for more women, Charlie, flex around. So they good. Oh no, no, no.
That boy really like.
No, we say that one.
That's
Like
the
I beg
perception,
you.
that's
That's
the
the perception. You see,
Okay.
if I dey stick to one woman, I dey feel some way. You no, like men.
No.
Okay. You see women. The reason why women know they do that, like. Then they respect themselves, you understand me? When women today, they say something, say, you see, there's a saying that what men can do, women can do better. So if they get money, they don't want to make you come there and can't show them something, you understand? But they also get them money,
Okay.
you understand? So you know if you can't show them anything,
Okay.
so then go did them on one corner, or at least then get one man, it's okay for them. But men, if we get money, even if they're married, sorry, I beg you, even if they're married, they still still want more women than Charlie. Make them make them feel their life inside small. You buy their life.
Alright.
sometimes they feel like the ladies are more. The girls they much past the guys. You understand?
So the man
there's
see
few-
them 3:1.
Good.
3:1.
Good.
Wow. So I make a busy with King.
Yeah.
I beat them.
Ah, you beat a Melina Vincent.
No, if the second round, if the first one, it should be. This
First
one
one
should be cheat so use.
No, first one.
If you cheat, you use.
Visa.
I go keep at the second. Okay.
So riding you. As you do hustle riding, you do good things. You go on the move and things. Like you get money, you go in for 2 boys.
Oh, I don't go for food guys. You see, on a more serious note, Charlie, you for be responsible. No.
No, be say second of the camera. That's why I talk that.
No, no be camera.
Be honest.
I dey talk free like.
Okay.
You see, girls them they understand free be free. But sometimes girls they love what them hear so Charlie. But I know it's like the life, the fact.
Okay.
You see, if I get money, Charlie, bro. And it's time for me to settle down, like Charlie. I'll settle down.
Not.
It is not time for me to settle down. Oh no, I won't do that. Like I'll get one woman and Charlie. I can still enjoy life with one woman, you understand? I can still enjoy life with one woman. Like, what do I want? If it's outing, we can go outing.
Okay.
We can vacation, whatever. You understand?
Moku. Resume the game, we could continue.
But why they want to make me play the game also? Always you want to reach agenda.
Chama want chop one pussy for
Oh,
30
forget
years.
that. I hear from you.
Forget them.
For 30 years.
The way this guy they play, they can really like go. If they use Melina, you know they use shit. See what Jesus.
I mean, if you use the gun, take where?
No, if I they use the gun, Melina they lost. swam. I go swam shot this small. I go shoot down some. Yo, I don't know what I do.
Your man say you want to chop one this thing for about 30 years. So if God gives you like 70 years for the head stop,
Yeah, finish him.
Oh, the boy know the force, so I don't know why I do it like that. What you say?
Win.
Alright.
Your man was like, if God give him 70 years to live on earth, and he married at the age of 30 years, he's going to do with yes, so when you chop one pussy take 40 good years.
Yeah.
That's why I'm trying
So
to
wait, are you trying to tell me that you can't do that?
I can do it.
I don't know. Are you trying to tell me that you can't do that? Because I don't do that, you still don't understand it.
No, I can do it.
Or you think I can't do it?
Okay. You can do it, but like it's something that is obvious. You understand?
Sure.
It's obvious. When the money comes, you feel you have the power.
Sure.
You understand? You feel you have the power.
But I don't understand why
So yes,
girls
it-
don't behave that way. Like ladies don't behave that way.
You know, they feel like they can't push themselves to the guys. You understand?
And they feel that because they're having the money, like they won't bring themselves that low class. You
Very
understand
good.
me?
Very good.
And guys,
Very
we also feel that kind of like we feel
Yo, make a
shy
go
to approach.
very
that kind of-
good.
we
Make
feel
a
that
go
we-
this there and they say,
he go give me their wallet.
get money, you make a go chop him money.
bounce
your wallet.
Very
bounce
good.
me.
Very
It
good.
bounce me. Meanwhile, look, the girl they won't make you come over.
Very
Charlie.
good.
She no feel.
But I feel like the guy he get the money, but he show him money ready pay go to him.
Girls they for show them.
Alright,
money.
so Charlie, we'll continue. No, we'll go by one select play.
Ah, give her the negotiable.
Massa.
You see, I they be cheats when they use though. They will be cheats. Like you know fish.
Yeah, so I'll make the viewers see make them enjoy the screen. So
Make a beat and make them see. Make a beat
So they go
you.
No,
ship.
yeah,
Okay,
no,
but
yeah.
they go ship
No,
you.
yeah.
If me have to ship on by scope, you use cheats, so Charlie.
no, yeah. I they can't people loud.
Ah, select the I don't feel select.
Hey, Massa, we will do my talk. Like that. Oh, but you take Melina again.
If you so you do, if you cheat, he set, he do settings. You just have to come and I can't take this part. If you so you do. Yeah, that's the idea. As you come and take this part,
If you rock out, comment, can rock,
We'll see you.
No.
I go finish in fatality.
That is what I tell you.
No, I go
You know
ship
that-
am. No.
Okay, do one and ship up. You see what they do. If you cheat, so
Hey, no. We know they do that for you.
do it. Yeah, if you so. You think they be. Thank you. If you saw what they do one, this is the thing they do.
Yo. Relax. Give
I
them.
beg you, they shoot you. If you be Derek, Uncle Derek, I go talk to make you go play football. If you shoot for football, you go talk to make you go MK. Charlie, very good. Okay, but like this, if I shoot them. Oh, Charlie, if you shoot like this, oh Jesus. Tasty. He shock you at me. You don't know play.
No, I just on the road.
You use cheat. If you cheat, you use.
On the road, I just nothing beat me.
If you cheat, you use. Look, make no man.
So I ask a busy question answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get money right there. You get money right there. How many women they like say they move class?
So me, you know, Charlie, I would love to stick to one lady. Understand? Be down since we are beginning.
Talk sweet.
That's been around. They do the la hustle, la woo. You understand? So I need the money come if I fail. So
Sure.
even though other people go feel some, but I'm not saying that people. Let me explain. Wait, I can finish. Oh.
Okay, explain further.
Right.
Explain further.
You know, I guess from day one they get attached. Some, you know, there are some girls that have been loyal to me.
Lawyer how?
What did they do plus them?
What did they do plus them?
Wait, they talk.
He said some girls were loyal to him.
No, wait.
Okay, talk.
Very good. Ready? It's like, what are they trying to make you squad about the same?
Make we back,
Some
we
people
go back.
we then they plastic from the beginning. You understand?
You guys then they do what?
From the beginning, what
you
did
get
do?
baddies where they sort you out. Oh, your skin bar be right there.
Boy or
Get
girl?
I get boys, I get girls, but right here,
Okay, okay.
we dey talk in the aspect
General.
of girls.
Okay,
Right?
okay,
People are
general.
talking in the aspect of girls, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I get girls too. Oh, my skin bar me and they feel they sort me out too. Make I take this. Charlie, in about
Where them know they demand anything.
no.
Say like they go eat you.
No, hey, me, you go fit eat me. Shit.
You go eat them.
So you go eat them.
No, I'm not like that.
Okay. Okay, so continue with the
So
one.
I would love to be with one person. But what are the tribal to score about be saying?
Yeah.
Aside the person we you love to be with, no, the people then they your back come out 10 times no. You can make them feel as well. You get my point. You shouldn't be like your day one people. You have gotten somebody who you are with, so you forget about the person.
But we dey talk say, as you get money, you dey want more women.
I say one.
Alright.
So you only one you dey want.
Finish.
True to only one.
Okay.
Before God, one.
Okay. Okay. So
Go
so,
in front way take this butter talk. Okay.
our lovely viewers, see you say one.
Oh, maybe one. God knows. Charlie, play the thing. Give what they introduce me. Aha.
Oh, me I go talk the truth.
Talk with them.
I no.
You choke. You don't want
No,
water. You choke.
Relax. Relax. Me like this, no. If I get the money, with me plus 1 day. Wait. If me plus 1 the hustle where I get the money. No, if me plus 1 the hustle where I get the money, me plus I'm good day. But if me alone I hustle where I will get that, right? You can't show me anything.
Yes.
I can pick at random. You know,
wait, you about sometimes and the reason why some guys they behave they get money then they want more women. Like then they believe say the girls already come for them alive inside into them alive. It is because the money then they come.
So as them look get, now them look get.
So them to them they want play like they want pass up. If you take your body come pass up. If you money they can give you money. Me too I take what I want. Next person come I take what I want. No be say if you so I would day or that be how I day.
Okay.
But that be how if you see the perception now it dey go. You understand?
Yeah. So viewers,
So yes, make we go. Make ask the body.
as we did, you know, we finish the Bible already.
Sure.
So viewers, if you know say if you play the MK, right, the highest be the king. So you know say if you
I to be cheated they use like if you be king.
I think that you beat them by the call the cheat.
Okay, so make you take and say you be the king.
So you know say if you battle ISI, just drop your comments, then we could play the team. Yeah. We know the MK no be our beer. Then I take beer they can.
We get beer.
Yeah, they hold my beer, so they know say I get beer with you.
We ship you.
Charlie viewers, you will catch another. Make sure you like, you comment,
Then subscribe.
share
You
to us.
do that.
As usual.
Yeah, have a lovely day.